Yo, what's going on, guys? It's the host of Chewy and Yo, what is going on, guys? It's the host of Chewy and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at why you should start affiliate marketing today. Also, if you like this video, make sure you smash the like button and go subscribe down below. Also, do not forget to hit the like button and go subscribe down below. So first off, we're gonna start off with why affiliate marketing, why you should start. So my favorite thing about affiliate marketing is number one is they have a proven system. Like there's certain funnels that we'll talk later about this more, but there's certain funnels that attract more people, so you can go in and they will buy. So then that way you get more sales, more conversions, and you can just keep getting more money. And number two is the products that we're going to give you. These are going to be amazing products that you'll absolutely love and your customers will love too. And I'll just name some of the softwares I use. So number one is ClickFunnels, and that's your funnel building app where you will drive people through your sales funnel. And number two is the email marketing app, and that's going to be either MailChimp, Aweber, or GetResponse. Whichever one you want is the one that you can absolutely. It's up to you whichever one you want, whichever one's easiest for you. And then number three is since these are software companies, they'll give you money each and every single month that you keep that subscriber going for them. So for ClickFunnels, the price point is $97, but you'll get $33 if they pay $97, which is an absolute crazy steal in my opinion. And then number four is it's just super easy to start. Like I will give you the proven system and like how to make your funnels and how to like create your Aweber account, your GetResponse account. Like I will help you with all that because it's just that easy to start and you can do it virtually with video. Alright guys, so next up we're going to talk about how affiliate marketing works. So to begin with, the affiliate promotes a product or service. It can be ClickFunnels, Aweber, or whatever affiliate offer you decide to promote. And then you run them through the funnel and then customers click and they convert into a paying customer. And the customers that convert, they are tracked and then the company pays you a commission. And the sweet thing about this is because this system goes on each and every single day at whatever time, just keep posting content. It can be on YouTube, any social media app that you decide to use. It just goes from here to here to here to here, and you can just keep doing this repeatedly. And this is why this is the best side hustle you can start today. Just because you can create content once and it can just keep doing this forever for you. Alright guys, and next up I'm going to share with you the hardest thing that I found about affiliate marketing. And then that one thing is creating content. And the reason why this is so hard is because you have to do this daily and it has to be like things that people can actually like grasp and do amazing things with. And that's just really hard because you have to keep thinking of new different ideas that can get people to the next step so then that way they can keep growing with you. Okay guys, and next we're just going to talk about what do you need to get started. And number one is get a good high ticket front end offer. And the reason why you need that is because instead of going with the small like little ticket affiliate offers, go with the big one because they're both going to take you the same amount of time. It's just going to be easier to make more money with a high ticket. And then moving on to number two, and number two is a back end offer that complements the front end offer. And with us, that's going to be promoting ClickFunnels, Aweber, or any email autoresponder that there is, because those like go with the product that we're going to choose for high ticket. And then number three is going to be provide value to your audience with quality content. And like I said before, this is the hardest part because you have to do this daily and you have to keep giving them value. And it can't be just any random thing because they won't click on the video and they basically just won't trust you if you like lose their interest or if you just don't do things right. Alright guys, so here are just some of the products that personally that I've been doing. So a good high ticket front end offer could be 15-day challenge, and that's really easy. It's $7 to start off with, but then they upsell you, so then that's when you'll get your higher commission because since they're starting out small and they're getting a lot of attention and they're just like basically getting all this information basically for free, and then that's when they put their guard down and that's when they come in with huge commissions. And then for the second one, it could be ClickFunnels or you can put down Aweber, whichever one you personally like using more. And then for the last one with providing quality content, and then for the last one, you can do how to make a sales page, how to start affiliate marketing, how to start drop shipping, how to start like whatever. It's just you have to keep providing value so then they can keep coming back and you can keep doing affiliate marketing. And then last but not least, the sales page. So with this, it's actually not that difficult because I will personally give you like the different steps that you should be doing in order to complete this. So number one right here is going to be your social media where you're going to be driving traffic to. And my personal favorite is going to be YouTube because it's a search engine and since it's a search engine, that means that it will keep running on forever. and that's why I love doing YouTube better than anything else. Yes, it takes more time, but you'll get a lot more money from doing this. Okay, so they find us, and then next they click our link and they go to our opt-in page. So then that means we're going to give them something for free, so then that way they give us their email, so then we can keep emailing them about this product or whatever affiliate product you decide to promote. So with the bridge page, you're just basically bridging the gap between how this actually helped you and what you're going to see inside that affiliate product. And then next is the affiliate sales page, which after you send them from here, you send them over here to the affiliate sales page. And this is where you actually don't have to do any work. This is where they will just take the customer and they'll just run them through their process that works really well. Okay, and then next you're going to get your commission payment, and this is where the fun really starts to happen. You can either get $5, $1,000, honestly, however much you decide to do is how much you're going to get paid, and the better you do, the more that you're going to get paid. And then throughout this whole process, you're going to be sending them emails, and the reason why you want to do that is because when was the last time you decided to buy something online, like the first time around? And for me, it's probably been never. It's usually taken me a couple of times before I bought something, because number one, I don't trust them, and then number two is, like, how do I know if this is actually for me? Because I don't want to just spend my money on something that can be worth a couple. So it's like, why would I spend money on something that I might not use? So sometimes it takes them a little bit longer. So that's why you have to keep sending them emails. It's like giving them reminders of this product, and sometimes you got to show them that your process of how you went from like no sales to your first sale and how big it was, or just give them a story of how, or just give them a story of how this changed your life and how it can change theirs as well. But okay, guys, this has been part one of why you should start affiliate marketing. And then also, don't forget to check the link down below because you'll get ClickFunnels for a discount, 15-day challenge, and Aweber. And these 3 products alone can just change your life. So make sure you go check out the description down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.